Everybody, I'm gonna try to cut a little bit of firewood today. Haven't cut none in a while. Well, I did some the other day up there, just trying to clean up that spot. But I've got a couple people wanting some. It's about 14 inches long, and I hate cutting firewood 14 inches long. I think 15's the max their stove will fit, so you don't have much margin of error there. And but I'm gonna try it. Do a little bit and see. I usually don't like to, but we'll do it and everything. But I've got these few big oak logs I've had for a while. I'm gonna cut them up. I got a 20-inch bar on that 357 XP Husqvarna, and I got a tune-up kit in it, so I haven't run it any since I put the tune-up kit in it. So we'll try it out and see how it does. Old saw just cutting good. End up picking out some of the bigger logs to use for this. That way there won't be so much sawing while I'm cutting it short. I'd say I don't like much having one of them crates of wood right here. What I've got cut up on these big blocks. I might grab a few smaller pieces and saw up to have them, make sure I have a little extra. And then I've got to go get my welder and stuff loaded up and go tomorrow and weld I think it's a steam line for the heat down at one of the elementary schools. They've got a leak and it's underground, I think. They got to get it dug up, and they're going to call me. I'm going to go get it fixed, or try to fix it. And I ain't much of a pipe welder, but believe I can get it done. So I'll cut just a few more logs and then get into that. Well, I'm getting ready to take the leads off my welder and get it unloaded out of the truck. I didn't get any video of doing the project down there at the elementary school, but what it is, they've got boiler heat, hot water runs through radiators, and going from the main building to the gym. When they added that line in, for some reason, it never had a coupler in it of any kind. It was just two inch steel lines butted together, and they'd put band clamps around it, and the band clamps kept blowing out. So we went down there and welded them together. I couldn't get right on the main bottom real good. We couldn't get the hole dug any bigger than it was. But I got probably 7/8 of it welded up. It was just a little bit raw on the bottom. I couldn't see what I was doing, or couldn't really get in there to do it. And we put them band clamps back over the welds, ground the welds down good and smooth, and put those band clamps over it. And got it sealed up good, and it shouldn't have near the pressure on it that it did have on those band clamps. So hopefully it'll last. Most likely that school probably won't be open much longer, maybe a couple years or something, and they'll be moving probably to a new facility. But kind of a pain to do, get in there, and there's a power line on one side that was buried, and there was the asphalt on the other side we couldn't dig out under to get the hole wider, and the two lines was right side by side and stuff. It was just a tough little situation to get into, and I'm no boiler maker or nothing when it comes to welding those kind of lines in tight spaces. Them guys, I admire what they do. But and it was gapped. They wasn't good fit ups. Probably close to a 1/4 inch gap on that one, and that was tough trying to get it filled in and stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna get this welder unloaded. I got this little cart here from Harbor Freight that I set my welder on when it's in the shop, and that way I can roll it around and stuff real easy when I need to. About to get dark on me. I got the boat over here running. I cranked it and let it warm up. It's where it's got that hydraulic clutch, hydraulic shuttle. They're real sluggish when it's cold. So I was letting it warm oil a little. I just took it to that grapple. Used what I've been doing. Chain it to the end of the grapple. I guess that'll do it for this video. Wanted to give a little shout out to a young man that he communicates with me a lot on Facebook. On the K&H Tractors Facebook page. If y'all haven't checked it out, check it out. But he messages me a lot on there. Lives in West Virginia. His name's Hunter, and he's 11 years old. I'm not going to say his last name for privacy reasons and stuff, but a good little young man, and he always want to know what I'm doing and what I've been doing, how I'm doing, and things he's carrying, and I just I really appreciate people, and there's several of you that comment or communicates with me through Facebook, and I appreciate everybody that does, but I just wanted to give a special little shout out to him. He'd asked me if I would, and he deserves it. So I just want to do that for him. But if y'all will, please like and subscribe to the channel. The likes help the videos, promote them on YouTube and stuff, and I just really appreciate all of you, and hope you have a good week.